Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. So in today's video, we are getting into another unit from LuvMe Hair. So this is their Kinky Curly Half Wig, and it is 26 inches long. So I believe I did record an unboxing for this unit. So I am going to go ahead and just jump to that first. And then I'll come back, give you all the specs that you need to know. We'll go ahead and install and then provide you with all the pros and cons. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and keep watching. All right, guys, it's unboxing time. The purple royal box is LuvMe Hair. You already know. So inside the box, of course, is the letter from the founder, Helena. We have the unit, but I'll show you that more in just a moment. I also have a little brochure for the all-day comfort wigs, but this is a half wig. Also has some lace tape. We have the purple mesh bag with a drawstring top to store my unit. Also in the box is a purple LuvMe Hair beauty blender. I have a pack of HD wig caps, also some little Velcros, a LuvMe Hair purple clip, and stuck inside the netting of the unit was this wig box label. We also have this little brochure that's a thank you letter, wig care tips, return policies, and all of that good stuff. Now, as far as the unit, I'm going to go ahead and take the netting off as well as the paper. Now, it does come with a elastic band that you can install in the inside of the unit. So I'm just taking this out of the bag so you can get a better look. It does have that little silicone piece on there to adhere to your head. So there's one comb in the front, two on the side, one in the back, and we also have the drawstring right in the back with the knob to lock it into place. Very, very convenient. I love a half wig with a drawstring. So this is a kinky curly texture, and there are no tracks exposed. The hair is flipped over at the top of the unit. All right, so I am back. So let's go ahead and get into the specs of this half wig. So this is LuvMe Hair's 2 Easy 3-in-1 half wig. It's the kinky curly texture. Now they also have Yaki straight. I did a review on that one already. Now they just released a new texture, the messy Burmese curly texture, so I will try to get my hands on that one as well. So right now they have 3 textures, length ranging from 16 inches all the way up to 26 inches. So this one is the 26-inch length, and again, kinky curly. So for the length, 26 inches, this unit is $231.72. But you know, I have you covered with a promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So density is 180%. It is glueless because it is a half wig. The circumference is medium. However, you saw with the unboxing that it does have that drawstring in the inside, so it really conforms to any head shape and size. It's 100% human hair. The color is natural black. I'm going to touch on that in just a second. Can it be dyed? Yes. Okay, so now as far as the color of this unit, so it is a natural black color. I did attempt to do the watercolor method with Adore semi-permanent dye. So what I did was just boiled a pot of water, put the dye into the pots of hot water, kind of swished it around, and then submerged this unit into it. Let it sit for maybe 5 or so minutes, and just let it air dry overnight. And I feel like it did not really get as jet black as I really wanted it to. On camera, it looks very much so jet black, but up close in person, like in the sun, you could really kind of see the brown tint to it. So I am going to have to go back through and dye this again, probably with Redken Shades EQ. That's my go-to. It is only available at Cosmetologist Beauty Supplies, but that is my go-to when I dye my hair, when I dye my units. It just sticks to the unit and goes nowhere. So yes, this unit can be dyed. If you wanted to lighten it, you would be able to. If you wanted to bring it to like a jet black, then you would be able to do as well. Unfortunately, the watercolor method just did not work in my favor this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and install, but first I kind of want to just talk you through the style that I'm going to be doing today. So if you haven't noticed, the front of my hair is braided into 2 feed-in braids, and I'm going to take this down because I kind of have it just put into a little bun in the back of my head. All right, so I have 2 feed-in braids here. So I did not braid these myself. I went to my braider. Her name is Style by Jay. I'm gonna put her information down in the description box. So if you are in the St. Louis area and you wanna check her out, make sure to look at the description box. So I kind of wanted to just do something a little different. I saw a video on TikTok that I kind of wanted to recreate. So here is the video that I wanted to recreate from TikTok. So as you see, she just has like a half wig in the back of her head. She has the front of her hair braided into 2 braids, and then those braids are just pulled over that half wig and put into like a ponytail in the back of her hair. So that is what the original thought was to be, and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like, but I'm going to attempt to do something else. All right, so as you saw with the unboxing, this is a no track showing half wig. So as you can see, that hair is like flipped over. So I am going to go ahead and just put this on the back of my head, and my hair is just pulled back into a low bun. Since this is a really curly, fluffy texture, you will not be able to detect that bun, but I am just going to put this right behind where the braids are, so right where that parting is. So install that front comb, and then I'm going to find these side combs as well. Install those side combs on both sides. And then in the back, I'm going to pull it down over this bun, install this back comb in the back of my hair. Pull on this drawstring and lock it into place. And then just tuck the end of the drawstring into the side of the unit. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you what this looks like, and all I'm going to do is just bring these braids to the back of my hair. Elastic band. And just put those braids together. Now this is definitely a pretty style. So 26 inches, let's talk about that really quickly. So it says that this unit is 26 inches. However, with where it falls, I kind of feel like it's a little shorter than 26 inches. I almost want to say like 22 inches. And maybe that means like when it's stretched out is 26 inches, but it's given very much so shorter than 26 inches. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see like the back of what this looks like, and then we'll move over to the style that I am actually going to do today. So here is what it looks like here in the back, big and fluffy. Now here is where I am having the issue. So there are no tracks exposed. However, it does look a little bit awkward right here at the top. So that is what we are going to fix today. Very pretty style, but we are going to jazz it up just a little bit. Okay, so I have decided that I am going to do kind of like a halo braid. So I'm going to take this left braid, bring it like where that part is, and just bring it around the side to this side. Now, same thing with this one. I am going to bring this one over to the other side, like right behind it. And so for some security, I am going to use some bobby pins to kind of just pin it into place. So bringing it through the front braid, and putting that bobby pin through the back braid as well, just to like pin them together. And I'm going to do the same on this side. So just pinning these braids together. Okay. So now with the ends of the braids, I'm just going to bring those back around here and just wrap them around my ponytail. Again, the ponytail is not going to be detected because the hair is so fluffy and big. So right now, we have that part covered here at the top. So we're going to go ahead and install the half wig again. Actually, I'm going to put one more bobby pin right here in the middle. So again, I'm just going to install the half wig just like I had it before. So just putting the middle comb right there in the middle, finding these side combs, installing those side combs. Where's this other one? Okay. So as you can see, I'm disguising the end of the braid by pulling that wig right over it. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to install this back comb right there in the nape of my hair. And again, just locking this unit into place with that drawstring and then tucking the end right into the side in the back. This is such a cute, easy summer style, and if you are able to braid your hair yourself, then you are already winning. So here it is. I'm gonna remove this. It's not necessary. Okay, so as you can see, it disguises that part, so it no longer looks super duper awkward. So really, we don't have leave out that's covering the unit. It is just the braid that's covering the unit. But let me just turn around so I can show you what it looks like just all fluffed out. So this is pretty much in just its natural state. I did attempt to define the curls after the watercolor method, but it just didn't tickle my fancy the way I like my curls to be defined. But definitely like big and fluffy, this is super duper gorgeous. So give you all a close-up of the top. And so here is the side, very much so like a bohemian vibe, vacation hair. All right, so here is what this looks like. So I did attempt to like define the curls after the watercolor method. I'll insert, you know, what that looked like with me doing that. However, I think I'm just gonna leave this the way it is. Like, the curls did not come out the way that I really wanted them to because the color really didn't take the way I wanted it to. However, I love the way this looks, like all fluffed out. And you all know that I really do not like wet hair on my head. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. It's so pretty. But I do want to show you what it looks like wet. So I do want to insert that clip of me defining the curls on this unit. But I am going to wet this down just a little bit here at the top, just so I can not make it so bulky, just right here at the crown. Just spraying it down with just some simple water, and that's it. I'm not going to use any kind of tools or anything, just using my fingers to kind of just smooth it down here at the top. But I absolutely love the way this came out. It's so like bohemian goddess like looking. So here is the top again. Give you all a close up. So if you are able to braid your hair yourself, you are winning. I have to go get mine braided, but it's such a gorgeous look. So I'm gonna turn around so I can show you how big and fluffy this is. The hair is so extremely soft. Only a few strands of shedding, nothing major. Side again, and front. So I'm just gonna fluff it just a little bit more because it's just so pretty, just really big and fluffy and not so defined. Like, I really always like super define my curly units, but I love the way that this looks like frizzy and fluffy. It just gives a more natural look. So let me give you all a close-up of the curls. So really, I would say that if you skip, you know, co-washing the units or trying to dye the unit, this is pretty much what it looks like straight out the box and just fluffing it out a little bit. So you can kind of just save that extra step for you. But I was trying to be fancy and Adore just let me down. It just let me down today. I'm so shocked about that. But gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and just provide you all my thoughts and feels on this unit. I absolutely think this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it looks super fluffed out. It is very, very soft and manageable. It is a super duper easy unit to install. These 3-in-1 half wigs are just, I love that half wigs have made their way back around. Everything, you know, just kind of makes their way back around, but I'm really, really glad these half wigs have made it back around. I told you all that I'm trying to like step away from the lace, and half wigs and ponytails and clip-ins and things of that sort have really, really tickled my fancy lately. That sounds so weird to say, but it has really, I've been getting a lot of enjoyment out of the more natural looking styles. And I'm wearing this for the rest of the day because this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So again, super duper easy to install. Anybody can install a half wig, and I love that LuvMe Hair is coming out with more textures. So again, they have the Yaki Straight, which I have done a review of that already. If you have not seen that, make sure to check that out. So this is the Kinky Curly, and then now they just released the Burmese Messy Curly. So I will get my hands on that one as well. What else do I have to say about this unit? Super duper affordable, especially since it's a human hair unit. You can wear this over and over and over and over again. And then, you know, I have you covered with a promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off. But what else is there to say? I mean, this is a gorgeous unit. I wanted to just provide you with a different way of wearing a half wig. You don't always have to wear it with, you know, about an inch back from your hair, your hairline out. So you can wear it different ways. It doesn't have to be, you know, the same. So switch it up. I did just do another video with like small braids in the front and a half wig in the back. That was super cute as well. So I just want to kind of give you some versatility, some different ways that you can wear these units. But yeah, that is it. Again, this one is 26 inches, but I'm kind of thinking it's giving more like 2022. That's just me though. I'll have to confirm and just make sure, and then I will put that in the description box. But again, a close-up of the top of my unit, the top of my hair with the braids with the little halo effect. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you stayed for the whole video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28. But again, like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.